Okay, now it's time to tour the inside of the hotel. Here's the front desk. That's us. Casado is beer. Where's the billiards table? Souvenirs. They do sort of a restaurant here, and they have a bar.
Hey, my friend, good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
Doing well? How you doing?
Yeah.
It is early.
Yeah.
It is early, yeah. There was the manager there, he had to shake my hand. Interesting pictures here. The sun is bright today. They have a lot of security cameras here, which kind of surprises me. That's our little buffet we eat every day. Well, that's our daily schedule. It's on this whiteboard. Looks like we got a busy day. Over here they have a little bit of a brewery. They actually make their own beer here. See that on the wall over there? It says buy gloves. Kind of surprised it's in English. Look at that machine there. And this is the little community area. Restrooms here. There are restrooms in our rooms as well. I'm not sure why they have community restrooms along with those. Most of the hotel rooms are over here. However, my room, you actually have to go outside to get to. It's our room number. We walk up this little path. Those are just balconies over there. They're individual rooms. And here's our room. The roommate's still sleeping in there, so I'm not going to film in it now.
Not even sunglasses. Yeah. Now what?
What?
Is there a room right there?
Yep, that's our room. These are very sturdy. Boing.
Alcohol there. They only had, I guess, in North Carolina, it's like weird permits for food and alcohol are different. Yeah.
That's funny.
Yeah, that's what
See. Go.
Nice hat, man.
Thanks. I haven't looked off this balcony yet.
No, it's hot. It's burning. It's really talkative.
What?
This done.
What is that? What's it saying? I can't
It's
understand
saying,
sign language. You understand sign language? What is it?
Need to get some sunscreen on.
when I was out visiting
We'll get a look inside here later. I'm gonna keep looking around outside while the sun's out.
No, I know.
Most of the time it's cloudy here, so it's kind of rare to see the sun out. I wonder what that is. Thought I heard something up there. Here we have the pool. 7 feet, 2 meters. Somebody cleaned it. It used to have a bunch of dead bugs and stuff in it. Pollen. I think we might go swimming today. I don't know what the point of that thing is. There's the hotel. Oh, closer. Whoops. Now that I shook it. All sorts of interesting plants here. I wonder if any of them are carnivorous. You have to push pretty hard on that to get it to move. In that side of this little building thing is a changing area. And over here is the jacuzzi area. Some ants on the wall. The jets aren't on now, but you have to ask at the desk to turn them on. Or maybe that button back there does it, that little white thing behind the plants. Let's try that. Don't want to get wet. Because it definitely looks like a button. It's making a noise. Doesn't seem to be doing anything now. And that was just somebody moving something upstairs. It was coincidental. Hard to get out of here. Step across. And there's our little jacuzzi. And we're leaving at 9. So I'm going to walk up to the top and finish up. I'll get a view of the inside of the hotel some other time. They've had a couple of these things. I guess they're just decorative. Or maybe for scraping shoes on. Like get the mud off. They brew some drinks here. So it's like a half pub, half hotel, half restaurant. There's a turkey in that cage. You can kind of see it. There's his head. Hi, Andrew.
How's it going?
Let's look over here.
Ay, mira, encontré el perfecto punto.
Oh, there's a fountain over here. I didn't notice that earlier. Kind of a goofy little fountain. Is that a stingray down there? I don't know what that is. It is, let me see if I can do in the glow. There we go. 8:12. And I'm going to show you my room, which I'm about to get kicked out of. Because the front desk gave us the wrong room. Someone else is already occupying it. 106. If I can hold it correctly, 106. Key. Gets the light in the ceiling fan. pretty good fan. I'm a little disappointed that we're not going to end up spending the night here. So here's the first bedroom. Oh, and a little office area. Let's not forget about that. Very nice desk. And here's a 25 peso coin. I mean, not peso, colone. You're not in Mexico, Jeff. Alright. Let's see what's over here. This light's a little finicky. More flowers. Sink. I'm not sure what that does. Hi. Oh, interesting light fixture thingy. There we go. A nice, very nice shower. Oh look, instructions for how to use the shower. Mirror in the corner. Hi there. And over here, light switch. Okay, we're back. Here there used to be a stove, but it is not functional anymore. There's a coffee pot. And a little, that kind of fogged glass window thing into the shower. Does this work? It does work. There's an octopus on the wall. And that is not a painting. This is a 3D object. Maybe it's a candle holder. I'm not sure what that's for. Anyway, I figured out how to turn on all these lights. Those flower lights had switches on them that I just didn't notice before. And that light was the dimmer switch over by the stove. We have a nice desk and seat area placed by the bed. Somebody's violin case or guitar, not violin, too big for that. And kind of a mock fireplace thing. Actually, you know what? This isn't a mock fireplace. That's a real fireplace. You could burn wood there if you really wanted to. Funny, I thought it was fake, but it's the real deal. And there's another view of the master bedroom. And I think I can go out here. Maybe? There we go. Oh, it's a heavy door. And out here we have some kind of, I think that might be a hammock. Attaches over there. And a nice little ocean picture thing. Out there is a lake and a view of the volcano, but you can't see it now. Well, this room does not have air conditioning or a television. It does have free Wi-Fi access. So I'll take one quick last look. And that was the room we almost had in Costa Rica. Alright, let's take a look at my room. 114. There's usually a bunch of one or two frogs that are out here on the porch. Oh, there's one over there. There you are, little buddy. They're huge things. They're like the size of a baseball. Ceiling fan. Top of the room, there's these unclosable window things. At least I don't think they're closable. Help keep the air circulating. Oh, maybe they are closable. To an extent. There's no AC or heater in here. And you got some reasonably comfortable beds. They're a little bit firm, but they get the job done. It's the hotel logo. Desk over here. And there I am. On my crap. Let's look at some Costa Rican goodies while we're at it. I haven't tried these yet, but I think they're like sugar wafers that are dipped in chocolate. Here's some like chocolate straws. I've had those before, they're good. A different kind of chocolate straw thing. Horneados or barquillos. What else did I got? Oh yeah, and I got a couple different bags of peanuts. Those are honey roasted. One of these other ones was mine, I think. Maids kind of like rearrange everything. And here's some cookies. They're kind of like Oreos. They're pretty good. But these things take the cake. They're really strange. Can't focus on them. There we go. Sponge. See, it's a cookie and it has marshmallow on top of it and some like grape filling stuff. Very strange. Little area for clothes. I like the interesting light switches. A much more boring restroom than the other room. Light and a fan. Nice mirror though. Bye. Sink. Funky toilet. Glub, glub, glub. And your very blurry shower. The shower head sticks out a good 1.5 feet for some reason. Some random storage racks. And I guess that's about it. So it's a nice room, but it's definitely not as nice as excuse me, as that other room that they originally put us in. Right. Thanks for watching.